All right, let's talk about health. What if I told you that two of the most powerful tools for fighting disease are probably sitting in your fridge right now? Seriously, we're not talking about some crazy expensive, exotic superfood. We're talking about two everyday ingredients that, when you put them together, create this amazing cellular shield against aging and disease.
So, what is this potent defense system? You know, the one that has scientists so intrigued? Well, let's pull back the curtain and find out.
Okay, so it's not some rare berry you have to climb a mountain for or some fancy expensive supplement. Nope, it's kale and blueberries. That's it. This incredible protective power we're talking about comes from two foods you can grab at pretty much any grocery store. How easy is that?
And look, this isn't just some passing health fad. The power of this duo is actually backed up by huge global dietary patterns. When scientists look at these massive population studies, a super clear pattern just jumps out. You've heard of diets famous for longevity, right? Like the Mediterranean and Nordic diets? Well, guess what they're packed with? Dark leafy greens and berries. It's no coincidence that the people who eat these foods consistently have way lower rates of chronic diseases.
But before we get into how they team up, let's break them down. We need to see what makes each one of these a total champion all on its own.
So in one corner, you've got kale. This thing is a nutritional champion, just loaded with vitamins and minerals and these really unique sulfur compounds called glucosinolates. Big word, I know, but they're famous for their detoxifying properties. And then in the other corner, you have blueberries. These little guys are basically antioxidant gems, just bursting with these powerful compounds called anthocyanins. That's what gives them that deep blue color and, more importantly, what helps protect our cells from all sorts of damage.
And when you look at the numbers, it's pretty staggering. Get this. Just 1 cup of kale gives you over 200% of your daily vitamin K. That's a huge deal, because that vitamin is absolutely crucial for healthy bones and proper blood clotting.
And blueberries? Just as impressive. We're talking more than 25 different types of those anthocyanins we mentioned. You know, the compounds that create that beautiful, vibrant color and pack that incredible antioxidant punch.
Okay, so we've got two individual superstars here. But the real magic, the real story, is what happens when they team up. Let's dive into how they work together to build that powerful shield for ourselves.
So to really get why this team-up is so special, we first have to understand the bad guy in this story, oxidative stress. The best way to think about it is like rust forming on a car. It's this constant, low-level damage happening inside our bodies. It's caused by these unstable little molecules called free radicals, and they just go around attacking our cells, our proteins. They could even mess with our DNA.
Okay, now this is where it gets really cool. Think of it like a 1-2 punch. The blueberries come in and deliver a direct hit of antioxidants. Bam! They neutralize those free radicals right on the spot. But kale plays a totally different game. It's smarter. A compound from kale, called sulforaphane, it basically flips a master switch inside our cells. This switch activates something called the NRF2 pathway, which then tells our body to start producing its own army of powerful, long-lasting antioxidant enzymes. So you see the difference? Kale doesn't just give you antioxidants. It literally teaches your body how to make its own. So the key takeaway here, the whole point, is this synergy. Study after study shows that having a mix of different types of antioxidants, the direct hit kind from blueberries and the indirect body-activating kind from kale, is way, way more powerful than just taking a huge dose of any single one. They truly work together, covering all the angles to keep our cells safe.
And this powerful cellular protection, it's not just some abstract thing happening in a lab. Nope, it translates into real, tangible benefits for your entire body. So let's take a look at the incredible upgrade this duo gives you, from your brain all the way to your heart. Let's start with your heart. Kale has these natural nitrates that help your body make something called nitric oxide. This is a super important molecule that helps your blood vessels relax, which improves your blood flow. Then, the anthocyanins from the blueberries jump in, not only boosting that effect, but also protecting your blood vessels from inflammation. So together, they create this amazing, complete support system for your cardiovascular health. And it doesn't stop with your heart. This is pretty amazing. Compounds from both of these foods can actually cross the super protective blood-brain barrier. What does that mean? It means they can get right inside your brain to do their work, fighting oxidative stress, calming inflammation, and supporting the crucial neurotransmitters that are so vital for your mood, memory, and ability to learn.
This dynamic duo also helps give your metabolism a serious tune-up. The fiber you get from both helps keep your blood sugar stable, and compounds in blueberries can actually improve how your body responds to insulin. And on top of all that, they act as prebiotics. That means they're food for the good bacteria in your gut. And as we all know, a healthy gut is really the foundation of a healthy metabolism. And this pair helps you build that foundation brick by brick.
Okay, so the science is pretty clear, right? It's compelling stuff. But how do we actually do this? How do we put it into practice? Let's get down to brass tacks and talk about how you can easily build this defense system right into your daily routine.
And you know what? It's incredibly simple. Just 3 easy steps. First, chop it or chew it really well. When it comes to kale, that chopping or chewing is what actually creates that powerful sulforaphane compound we've been talking about. Second, freeze it. Don't be afraid to use frozen blueberries. The freezing process can actually break down the cell walls, which makes those amazing antioxidants even more available for your body to use. And finally, the most important part, combine them. Toss them together in a smoothie, a salad, a grain bowl, whatever you like. That's how you unlock their full synergistic power.
So there you have it. The evidence is just crystal clear. This combination of kale and blueberries offers a really profound, science-backed way to protect your body from the inside out. They're simple, they're accessible, and they are incredibly powerful. So really, the only question left to ask is, how are you going to build your cellular shield one delicious meal at a time?